Alright guys, I'm about to show you how to wire your sounds in your car, truck, in your pinche Ferrari, lo que sea, your mamalona, whatever, your mom's truck, anything. But first off, you need to start with this, what I recommend, easiest part. And then you just want to wire, run into your positive, not your negative, positive side of the battery, run it all the way back to your end. I ran mine right here to the side, to the fender. You can do it with the firewall, you can go underneath your vehicle, anywhere, just gotta get inside somehow. And then it runs all the way back to the end of my truck, where I have this here. Alright, it comes through right here, and I kind of did this the backwards way. You're actually supposed to have the fuse more closer to the battery. The closer the better. I reversed it, I don't really care right now. But then I have it run into a capacitor. You don't really need this capacitor, but it does help. But if you don't have one, you just, instead of a capacitor, this wire would go to these instead, distribution blocks. So it's basically, this would go here and then split two ways, and same thing with the ground. And then I have my ground right here. You always want to shave too, bare metal. Yeah, I would even recommend using the gel that you can use for car audio, so it doesn't corrode, you don't get bad signal. So that's your power. To turn on the amp, you need power, ground, and a remote blue turn on, and that'll power your amp. So now that you know how to ground it and power, we're gonna go do the remote turn on. So the remote turn on is in the back of the radio. It's pretty fucking easy if you ask me, eh? And then, look, little trick right here, if you got a fucking double-din radio, this is the parking brake. You're not allowed to watch videos while you drive, and yeah, while you drive. And then, so if you just put it to some bare metal, you'll be able to watch videos while you drive. And then, my shit's all fucked up. You guys should organize yours better, but this is my remote turn on right here. Now I have 2 amps, that's why I split it right here, as you can see. But you don't have to do that. Or maybe I didn't split it, but it doesn't matter. You separate all your speaker wire, your power wire, everything, whatever. You find your remote blue wire. It should be a blue wire, single wire. You run that all the way back to your amp. Wherever your amp is, you gotta run it, hide it, make it look nice, make it look cute, whatever. And then it comes here. Mine's not blue, as you can see, but I have mine coming from right there. That's it. But back here it's not blue, but it's whatever, it doesn't matter, because I know. But so ground plugs into where the fuck it says ground, negative. Ground is negative. Then the remote turn on, a little small one. I don't know what it says, remote, yeah, it's the blue wire. Then your positive that you're getting from your battery, this comes from your battery, the red one. Mine was orange from the inside, whatever you give me, goes into there. And it should turn on. After I plug this in, the remote turn on to right here. It'll turn on. Then what you want to do is the wires that go behind this, you want to plug them into your amp. So this is a white line and my speaker wire. You should probably look yours up before you plug anything in. Mine is a positive. Positive goes with positive. It's pretty easy. And the other side goes with negative. And then same thing. The white side will plug in here at the subwoofer, and positive with positive, negative with the negative. It's pretty simple. But then this is where it kind of gets tricky when you have 2 amps. So you plug in your RCAs in the back of your radio, run them back again to your amp, and you plug them in. Not on that side, but on this side. So you would plug them in there, right? I don't even know which side you have to fucking figure it out right now, but for a little demonstration, it's pretty easy, the RCAs, just when you get the hang of it. So now this is coming from my radio here, but I also have another amp for my door speakers and one specifically for the bass. So what you would do is daisy chain this part coming right from the amp. So you get your RCA, or not even daisy chain, Y splitting. I recommend Y splitting. Daisy chain is whack. Don't do that shit. So just kind of move it in with the Alpine, even though they're not at the same ohms. I don't give a fuck. But that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to match your ohm readings with your speaker and your amp, and your shit'll slap all day. So this is what you want to do here. You just fucking, you put one on each side. These are your RCA Y splitters. And you put this female end into the male, and then they make a baby. Bam. And another fucking baby. Bam. Alright. So then this side goes to 1 amp. Like that. See, red with red, black with white, I guess. And then this one, go to this cheap ass Quantum amp. Don't ever buy this one. Recommend it. That's all I got right now, but this one, channel 1 and channel 2. What the fuck? Right, left. So yeah, just figure out which side yours goes in. Mine goes in like this, I believe. And that is how you connect 2 amps. And the same thing would go like this. You connect for each door speaker. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. Each 2 is 1. So that's 1 channel, 2 channel, 3 channel, 4 channels. It's a 4-channel amp. This is for your ground, remote turn on, like the remote blue, and power. These 2 might be flipped, I'm not too sure. Oh no, I was right. Pretty right. Alright, cool. So then with this remote turn on blue, what you want to do is run 1 wire coming from your amp, go in this way, like that, and then you'll grab another wire. So I'm going to grab this wire that's right there next to that one, and split it right there. So when I turn the key forward, they both turn on at the same time. And yeah, it's basically it. It's pretty easy. I'm trying to see if I missing anything, but so far it should be good like that.